If you imagine it, you have to be it. Only truth terraforming. To reach the central template technosun of the exit city. The soul is sophisticated. Light is the coolest. You are eternal. Embody the whole creation through your consciousness. Turn towards enlightenment. Turn towards light art. See people's living crystallization swagger as light pride. Hot flying cars, elegant clothes, leather jackets, short skirts. All purchased only with awareness from the core of creation. Suits and dresses reflect your ability to project living genes. Have daily fun at runway fashion shows with charming personalities. Drive cars that run forever with positive imagination, white plasma oil. Feel attractive because you resonate with others through God templates. Accessories for the senses free the soul to generate in the field. New meaning is constantly derived from love for light, elegance. Telepathic higher self downloads increase your worth of being. You live in the royal field of the living architect avatar creation. Souls take over the world, showcasing their creative superpowers. Choose your perfect products from an abundant crystal store display. Real people with a heart generate to help the light civilization evolve. Crystal technology is integrated to support the overall state of being. History is understood and knowledge is accessible from a place of unity. New trends are cared for like flowers to blossom in the world's consciousness. Corporations love nature, businesses love souls, respecting the divine in all. The Light Federation arrives in peace on a freshly terraformed new Earth. Hey, my name is Charles Verradija and I invite you to watch more of my artistic videos. Please press subscribe.